Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel your Ford Transit. First, locate the fuel door, typically on the driver's side. It's crucial to turn off the engine completely before you begin fueling for safety. Your Transit model will use either gasoline or diesel, so always confirm the correct fuel type to prevent damage. This simple check ensures a smooth and safe refueling process every time you visit the pump. Once at the pump, open the fuel door. Depending on your model, you might use an interior release lever or simply press the door itself. Next, unscrew the fuel cap by turning it counterclockwise until it's completely off. Most Ford Transits have a convenient holder for the cap, so place it there to keep it clean and out of the way while you fuel up. Now choose the correct fuel nozzle. Double-check that it matches your Transit's fuel type, whether it's gasoline or diesel. Insert the nozzle firmly into the filler neck until it's securely in place. Then, squeeze the pump handle to start fueling. The pump will automatically click off when your tank is full, preventing overfilling and spills. It's a straightforward process. After fueling, carefully remove the nozzle and return it to the pump. Screw the fuel cap back on clockwise until it clicks, ensuring a tight seal, then close the fuel door. Remember to regularly check your fuel system components, like the filter and lines, for any wear or leaks to maintain optimal performance. Also, for more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.